Hello and welcome to Autonomous Future, the podcast where we explore the bleeding edge of technology and its profound implications for businesses and our daily lives. I'm Swati, and today we're delving into a concept that sounds almost like science fiction but is rapidly becoming a reality: self-healing IT systems. Imagine an IT infrastructure that doesn't just alert you to problems but fixes them automatically, proactively, and without human intervention. Can your IT system truly self-heal? That's the big question we're tackling today. Let's dive into this fascinating world. Segment 1. What is self-healing IT and why is it the next big thing? So what exactly do we mean by self-healing IT? At its core, it refers to an IT environment, be it applications, networks, servers, or databases that can detect, diagnose, and resolve issues autonomously. Think of it like your body's immune system, constantly monitoring for threats and taking corrective action. This isn't just about automation. Automation follows predefined rules. Self-healing, powered by AI and ML, goes a step further. It learns from patterns, predicts potential failures, and takes intelligent, data-driven actions to maintain system health. Why is this so crucial now? Our IT environments are growing exponentially in complexity. The sheer volume of data, interconnected services, and distributed architectures makes traditional manual troubleshooting a nightmare. Downtime is incredibly expensive, and the demand for always-on services is higher than ever. Self-healing systems offer a pathway to unparalleled reliability and efficiency. Segment 2. How does self-healing work? The mechanics behind the magic? How do these systems actually pull off this healing act? It typically involves several key components working in concert. Proactive monitoring and observability. This is the eyes and ears of the system. Advanced tools continuously collect massive amounts of data: CPU usage, memory, network traffic, application logs, user behavior. They establish baselines for normal operation. Anomaly detection. Here's where AI and ML kick in. Algorithms analyze this continuous stream of data, identifying deviations or unusual patterns that signal a potential problem before it becomes a crisis. For example, a sudden spike in latency or a slow but steady increase in disk errors. Root cause analysis, RCA. Once an anomaly is detected, the system doesn't just react blindly. It leverages AI to pinpoint the underlying cause. Is it a misconfigured service, a failing hardware component, a network bottleneck? This critical step ensures the right fix is applied. Automated resolution. Based on the identified root cause and predefined remediation policies, the system executes corrective actions. This could be anything from restarting a failed service, scaling up resources, like adding more virtual machines during a traffic surge, rerouting network traffic, or even patching a known vulnerability. Feedback loop and learning. Crucially, self-healing systems learn from every incident. If a resolution works, that knowledge is reinforced. If it doesn't, the system can try alternative approaches or escalate to human intervention, continuously refining its intelligence. It's a powerful cycle that shifts IT operations from a reactive break-fix model to a proactive, predictive one. Segment 3. Real-world scenarios where self-healing shines. Let's look at some tangible examples of where self-healing IT is making a real difference. Automated service restarts. A critical application service crashes unexpectedly. A self-healing system detects this instantly and automatically restarts the service, often before users even notice. Dynamic resource scaling. During a sudden surge in traffic on a website, the system identifies high CPU or memory usage and automatically provisions additional cloud resources to handle the load, preventing performance degradation or outages. Predictive maintenance. AI analyzes historical sensor data from servers and networking equipment, predicting a hardware failure days or weeks in advance, allowing for proactive replacement during scheduled maintenance windows rather than an emergency. Network optimization. A network path becomes congested. The system automatically reroutes critical traffic to an optimal, less congested path, ensuring seamless data flow. Security threat containment. In the event of suspicious activity, the system can automatically isolate a compromised device or segment of the network to contain the threat, minimizing potential damage from a cyber attack.
These aren't just theoretical benefits. Companies are reporting significant reductions in downtime, improved efficiency, and a better overall user experience. Segment 5. The impact on IT teams shifting from firefighter to strategist. Now you might be thinking, does this mean IT professionals will become obsolete? Absolutely not. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Self-healing IT liberates IT teams from the mundane, repetitive, and often stressful task of constantly firefighting. Instead of spending hours troubleshooting known issues or manually provisioning resources, IT professionals can shift their focus to more strategic, value-added initiatives. They can concentrate on designing more resilient architectures, innovating with new technologies, optimizing systems for performance and cost, developing advanced security postures, collaborating more closely with business units to drive innovation. The role of the IT professional evolves from a reactive responder to a proactive architect and strategist. This leads to higher job satisfaction and allows IT to truly become a driver of business growth, not just a cost center. Segment 6. The road ahead, challenges, and the autonomous future. While the benefits are clear, the journey to a fully self-healing IT infrastructure isn't without its challenges. It requires significant investment in AI and ML technologies, robust data collection and integration across disparate systems, building trust in autonomous decision-making, defining the human-in-the-loop scenarios for critical decisions. However, the trend is undeniable. As AI capabilities advance, we're moving towards an era of truly autonomous operations across the enterprise. Imagine IT systems that not only self-heal, but also self-optimize, self-secure, and even self-deploy. The future of IT is one where systems anticipate, adapt, and operate with minimal human intervention, leading to unparalleled levels of stability, efficiency, and innovation. This isn't just about preventing outages, it's about unlocking entirely new possibilities for what technology can achieve for your business. Segment 6. The call to action. Are you ready to self-heal? Perhaps not fully today, but the capabilities are here and the journey has begun for many leading organizations. The question is, are you ready to embark on this autonomous future? It begins with understanding your current IT landscape, identifying repetitive pain points, and exploring how AI-driven monitoring and automation can start your self-healing journey. The companies that embrace this transformation early will be the ones that thrive in the increasingly complex and competitive digital landscape. That's all for this episode of Autonomous Future. Thank you for joining me, Swati, as we explored the incredible potential of self-healing IT systems. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how we manage and leverage technology. Until next time, keep looking to the horizon and keep building the future autonomously.